everyone. Today we are making Jangri sweet recipe. Rinse 1 cup urad dal and quarter cup of rice. Well, then soak them together in water for 2 hours. After soaking, transfer them to a blender jar and blend into a fine and smooth paste. With quarter cup of water, the batter should be thick enough. Sure, the consistency of batter should be just like hummus. Transfer the batter to a mixing bowl, then add quarter cup of rice flour, quarter cup of corn flour, a quarter cup of gram flour, and a tablespoon of maida. Finally, 2 pinches of red food color. Gradually add a little water while mixing until the ingredients blend well. The batter should be semi-thick, similar to idli dosa batter. Beat the batter for 4 to 5 minutes for better results. Into the another skillet, add 500 grams of sugar and 200 ml of water. Boil until the syrup becomes sticky and viscous. Avoid boiling for string consistency. Once the syrup thickens, add a tablespoon of lemon juice to prevent crystallization. Remove from heat when the syrup is thick and bubbling. And set aside but keep it warm. Add around 300 ml of cooking oil into a kadai. Let it heat to 354 in heat. Now fill the batter into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag. Once the bag is filled, make the batter to one corner and tie the cover or a piping bag by squeezing all the batter to come to a corner. And just give a pinch of cut at the corner to squeeze the batter into the oil. I am showing the flower shape squeeze of batter on a plate just for the sample purpose how to make a flower shaped jangri. But we have to drop or squeeze the batter directly on the hot oil and make the flower shaped jangri. But the oil should be hot enough so that it become fluffy. When squeezing is done, just fry for 5 to 6 minutes on both the sides and take out from the oil, drain the oil and drop this jangri on the sugar syrup. To take a flat bottom kadai and the oil should completely submerge the jangri. Ensure the oil is hot enough to make fluffy jangris. Carefully pipe the batter into the hot oil, forming a flower shape. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry the jangri on both the sides for not more than 5 to 6 minutes and make sure it turns golden brown. Once fried, remove from the oil, drain the excess oil and immediately dip the jangris in the hot sugar syrup for 30 to 35 seconds. Ensure not to leave them in the syrup for more than 40 seconds. Removing the jangri from the syrup and serve on a plate. Your soft and juicy jangri is ready to be enjoyed. Practice making the flower shape for best results. Please give a try to this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Please do consider like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Happy cooking. Namaste.